So if you have a pair of Crocs that broke at the rivet, don't throw them out. It may seem like a really hard thing to fix, or you're gonna have to do something janky, like put a zip tie in there. But before you do it, you should know that Crocs does sell replacement rivets, and also brands that are not Crocs also sell replacement rivets for Crocs. So you don't have to throw the shoe out. It's very common that these rivets break, and it's actually a really easy fix. Again, I was gonna tie a rope here or do a zip tie or do something like that. I checked Amazon and I found out these were available. I got a big pack for like $3-4. So let's walk through that and we'll see if it's a better fix than some DIY solution that might, cause some irritation on the inside of someone's foot. These ones are literally called replacement rivets for Croc. It's like exactly what we need. Here's what you get. You get the rivets on each side. Basically, there's this one and then the one on the inside, and they're slightly different. One is the, has a post. One has a part that receives that post. This is actually fine. So we'll see if we could reuse this, or if the existing Croc rivet with the crocodile branding, that may not work. We'll have to see. Okay, so it should be pretty easy. Basically, this broke with a little bit of rubber kind of in there, so we needed to pop that through. And there you go, just pushed it through. Probably could have done that a little bit more gracefully, but this seems fine. And now let's see if the new rivet will fit into the old part right here. No, it doesn't seem to want to go. It's not going. Okay, so we'll remove this part. We'll lose the Croc TM branding. We will replace it with one of these ones and pop it in here. It's a perfect fit, I will say that. And here's them looking next to one another. They're both glossy. One's, a little bit bigger, but whatever. And now we'll try this. Pop that in. Perfect fit. And now the Crocs are back to normal. Any fix I would have done with some string or whatever wouldn't have been able to be flat right here, which is very important, and would have looked weird. This way, for, again, this packet was like, I think $3 or $4. You're able to get these fully fixed, and the Croc is completely back to normal. The only thing is you have a mismatched logo here, which honestly no one's gonna notice. But yeah, if you have a set of broken Crocs at the rivet, if you have a set of Crocs with a broken rivet, it's a very easy fix. It takes just a few seconds, and they're like new for just a few pennies, since we have all these for use in the future.